Out here, you gotta remind your four-legged neighbors what's yours. And this is mine. Just like this beer. Because it's made with this, a natural beer promise. Means it's brewed naturally, made with natural ingredients, and free from artificial additives and preservatives. Find out which beers make the promise. Go to the www, click right here.
Many consumers have embraced living green, and for the most part, the mainstream green movement has embraced green consumerism. Consumers will buy household green products to reduce or eliminate the use of yesterday's hazardous products, such as bleach, which has an array of harmful properties. For example, when used with other chemicals, bleach can create toxic byproducts and gases. There is a very common mindset right now, which holds that all we're going to need to do to avert the large-scale environmental disasters upon us is make slightly different shopping decisions. Critics question the notion that we can save the environment by buying so-called earth-friendly products, from clothing and cars to homes and vacations, because the cumulative effect of our consumption remains enormous and hazardous. The assumption that by buying anything, whether green or not, we're solving the problem is a misconception. Consuming is a significant part of the problem to begin with. Maybe the solution is, instead of buying 5 pairs of organic cotton jeans, buy 1 pair of regular jeans instead.